Today I'm taking my drone out for its maiden voyage. So I'm gonna start testing on it kind of close to the house. I'm over by my horses and they're kind of scared of it. They don't like it. I need to desensitize them to the drone though because I want to be able to get footage of them with the drone.
I'm gonna get some riches with these rags. Go and tell my bitch to never nag. Got enough demons on my back. I'm gonna build a palace with my dogs while you talk. Please keep at your distance.
Okay, so now we're headed to the west, going down Cedar River.
Flowing like a guard. Tennis chains for me when I make it off the net. I'm too scared of love, bitch. I only want to sex. With the stars laughing at they moves, I'm not impressed. I got different voices.
This is our river crossing. The cows come down there to eat drinks, so you can see all the different trails that they make.
I want VVS to see what they be talking about. Roby in the back and he's smoking on some loud.
I think this tree here in the middle is the tallest tree in the county. At least that's what I've been told. I love seeing all the trails from this aerial point of view. This is Carter's yard, my father-in-law. We're actually gonna go see him and my husband, Carson.
What's the move? I'm going back shit, really about action. Go bring the booze, I got a blues, I gotta move. Really gotta stack that cash to the roof. Don't get attached, I laugh at the fool. Can't talk nice.
Carson knew that this was my first time taking the drone out, so I was really excited. There they are. I bobbed up and down to kind of nod my head or wave at them. And we're off. Man, this is so much fun. This is almost like playing a video game. This whole time I was just sitting inside my house on the couch with my phone in my hand, or with the controller and phone. How I control this is there's a controller that my phone connects in, and I was just sitting on my couch while I was flying the whole time with my controller. Now we're coming up on my house again. I decide I'm gonna stop over by the horses. I think I had them cornered here. They're down this alley and they can't get out. Got them running out. I bet if we had enough drones, we could probably move cattle with the drones. Here we go, I'm chasing them. Just trying to learn how to fly and get my bearings. There's 3 different controllers that will control the camera's view, angle, and then the position of the drone. And they're taking a little bit to get used to. I like this part where I follow the horses. Got Pathalo, Buster, and Dutch. Ooh, here I almost hit this pole. I was really close to that. But I stopped, got my bearings. I like the snow in the right-hand corner of this frame. How it's sparkling in the sunlight. And then this shot where I pan the camera down, I think that's a really neat shot. Not necessarily the best place to take the shot, but that action of moving forward and panning the camera down, and then this next one of panning the camera up. Oh, you guys, I'm just having so much fun with this thing. Now I'm gonna go check out our replacement heifers. They've already got their food, so they're pretty distracted. I don't know, maybe a few of them were looking at me, but it didn't seem to bother them nearly as much as it bothered the horses. And horses learn pretty quick. They'll get desensitized to the drone in no time. almost hit the ground here. I was getting that sweet, buttery, smooth shot. And I meant to pan the camera down, but instead I just moved the entire drone down. And, oop, almost hit the ground. Not quite. I stopped. And here I'm trying to get back home. Landing on the porch was actually pretty tricky. The drone didn't want to do it because I think there's just too much stuff on my porch. I've got a couple flower pots and an outdoor table and chairs, and then our grill, of course. Here you can see the shadow, how I land. It's pretty cool. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching my drone test video. I had a whole lot of fun flying around, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!